And stocks that could be actually included in the MSCI index could be in focus today. Now, with a cutoff period for the required criteria between 18 Jan and 31st, Jindal Stainless and PNB could be the likely additions in the Global Standard Index. Somit is standing by to join in and give us these expectations that are there. What are the MSCI changes that we are expecting this time around, and which stocks, Somit, are involved here?
Well, multiple stocks would remain in focus on the back of the MSCI next review that is likely to come in. Now, to decide the stocks that would get included or excluded from the index, the cutoff period would be anywhere between Jan 18 to Jan 31st. The announcement for this is expected to come in on Feb 13th, and the adjustment regarding the inflows and outflows would happen on February 29th. So, stocks that would remain in focus, firstly, based on the current prices, Jindal Stainless, PNB, BHEL, NMDC and Oberoi Realty are likely to get included, and flows could be anywhere between 131 to 149 million US dollars in these stocks. Now, if there is a price up move of around 2 to 6% in Alchem Labs, Union Bank, Solar Industries and Prestige Estates, then they could also get included in the MSCI Global Standard Index, and if they get included, the flows could be anywhere between 122 to 127 million US dollars. And if there's an up move of close to 8 to 12% in stocks like Dalmia Bharat, NHPC, GMR Airports and Nykaa, they could well get included in the MSCI Global Standard Index, and flows could be anywhere between 114 to 120 million US dollars. And if at all there's an up move of around 15 to 20% in stocks like Canara Bank, Mankind Pharma, Vodafone Idea and Bosch, then they could also get included, and flows could be anywhere between 110 to 113 million US dollars. Now, one stock that could get excluded if there's a down move of around 3.5%, and that is IGL, and if that happens, then there could be an outflow of close to 113 million US dollars, which is nearly 8.9 times the 20-day average volume. And apart from that, a host of small cap stocks could also be in focus on the back of inclusion in the MSCI Smallcap Index. Few names are IREDA, this is a recently listed entity, Cello, JP Associates, RR Kabel and Honasa Consumer. There are multiple other stocks that also one needs to keep an eye out for. Now, inflows in these stocks might not be on the higher side, but they could well get included in the MSCI Smallcap Index going based on the current market prices.
Well, Swami, thanks so much for taking us through